In this video, we are going to look at how to create rubrics in Schoolbox. When setting up due work tasks, you can create rubrics that look like this. You can create sections within the rubric, which we call capabilities. Capabilities are the areas that you are assessing. In this rubric, I have named the capabilities Grammar, Knowledge and Understanding, and Understanding Text Structure. It's important to note that while we have called these sections capabilities in Schoolbox, your school might have a different name, such as Group. You can choose to have subtotals for each capability. So if you're an IB school, you can have each capability within an assessment task marked against 7. Within each capability, you can have subgroups called indicators. Indicators are the key skills that you will be assessing in the task. For example, text structure and knowledge and coherence. Beside indicators, we have descriptors. Descriptors are statements that explain what a student has achieved or demonstrated at each level. At the top of the rubric are overarching levels to describe student achievement. For example, above the expected level or at the expected level. You can assign different marks or no marks at all to each descriptor. If you leave a descriptor blank, a blank space like this will appear on the rubric. If you choose not to give a descriptor a points value, there will be no subtotal for that capability. So how do you create a rubric? Well, when setting up a due work task, you first select a mark type. The mark type refers to how you want the rubric data to appear. This could be in a percentage, letter grade, or total mark format. You can also choose to have no mark type. Then toggle Use Rubric. You can choose whether you would like to mark per capability. Mark per capability refers to whether you would like a subtotal mark to appear for each capability. Remember, the capability refers to the sections within the rubric. I'm going to start by adding level names. I can continue to add levels by clicking the plus level button at the end. I will then add a capability by typing into the Type to Add New Capability field. You can then add indicators in the Type to Add New Indicator field. Remember, indicators are the key skills you are assessing within the capability. Once you've finished adding indicators, click the checkbox next to the indicator to start adding a descriptor. After you've finished adding your descriptors, add the points. You can use whole numbers or decimals. You can continue to add to the rubric by repeating these steps. If you choose not to add points to some descriptors, there will be no subtotal for that capability. If you would like your rubrics to show from highest to lowest marks, instead of lowest to highest, you can use the arrows underneath the level name to move the descriptors into a different order. Once you have finished creating your rubric within Schoolbox, click Create.